As we know, Florida is mainly surrounded by oceans. From what we know, sea level rise is caused mainly by the melting of ice into the oceans. Another factor that causes sea level to rise is thermal expansion. Thermal expansion changes with a change in temperature. It can change its shape, area, and/or volume. Since 1950, the sea level has increased by 8 inches. The Gulf Stream is being impacted the most by the sea level rise. The rise is rapidly increasing and is constantly being measured. The main contributor to the sea level rise is the melting ice from the North and South poles. There isn't a solution set in stone, mainly because the base of the ocean is a spongy type structure which allows the water to flow through. They will have to work on finding a solution to help stop the increase in sea level. In the next couple of years, the level will still be rising. If the levels rise high enough, it could eventually cause flooding. If flooding is to occur, this could damage all the communities surrounded by these oceans and affect the people living in these communities. In order to protect this from happening, they need to find a solution from stopping the rise in sea level.